I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder, and a phone to the other, and I can't get a hold of her. And what's a crush to do? And what's a crush to do when it can't get through? Medically speaking, you're adorable, and from what I hear, you're quite affordable. But I like them pricey, so exaggerate and check me. Pretty please, just trick me. Pretty please. I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder, and a phone to the other, and I can't get a hold of her. And what's a crush to do? And what's a crush to do when he can't get through? Stressed with this mess, I can't think of things to write down, to type down, and these fingertips are moving faster than these lips. So you can only imagine how jealous my mouth is. So you can only imagine how jealous my mouth is. I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder, and a phone to the other, and I can't get a hold of her. And what's a crush to do? What's a crush to do? I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder. And what's a crush? And what's a crush to do? Adorable, and from what I hear, you're quite affordable. But I like them pricey, so we exaggerate and check me. I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder. And what's a crush to do? What's a crush to do?